Hey guys, so in this video, I'm going to explain exactly how the Healthy Paws pet insurance claims process works step by step, how people usually submit claims, how reimbursements work, how long approvals can take, and the common mistakes that can delay or even deny your claim. So first things first, after your dog receives treatment at the vet, make sure you keep the invoice and any medical records related to the visit. This is important because Healthy Paws needs proof of the treatment, diagnosis, and costs before reviewing your claim. Now here's the good news. Healthy Paws says you usually don't need to fill out complicated claim forms manually. Instead, most people simply use the mobile app or online customer center to upload documents directly. And honestly, this is probably one of the reasons many pet owners like Healthy Paws in the first place. The process is designed to feel more like uploading photos to an app instead of dealing with old-school insurance paperwork. So here's how the process usually works. First, open the Healthy Paws mobile app or log into your online customer account. Then find the Claims section. From there, you can simply take a photo of your vet invoice and upload it directly into the system. If additional medical records are needed, you can upload those too. In some cases, Healthy Paws may contact your veterinarian directly for more information, especially for larger or more complex claims. Now, some people still prefer traditional methods, and technically you can still do that. Healthy Paws allows claims through email, fax, or even regular mail if needed. Some users especially prefer email submissions because they like having copies of everything saved for proof. But here's something very important many people miss. Healthy Paws says claims should generally be filed within 90 days of your pet's treatment date. If you wait too long, your reimbursement could become ineligible depending on your state and policy terms. So honestly, it's smart to submit claims as soon as possible instead of forgetting about them for months. Another thing people should understand is that reimbursement usually doesn't happen instantly. First, the company reviews the treatment, checks policy coverage, verifies deductibles, and confirms whether the condition qualifies under your plan. Once approved, reimbursement is typically sent according to your selected payment method. Now let's talk about one mistake that confuses a lot of first-time pet insurance users: pre-existing conditions. If the condition existed before your policy started or during waiting periods, the claim may get denied. And honestly, this is where many negative reviews online come from. People sometimes assume all treatments automatically qualify for reimbursement when insurance companies still follow policy rules very carefully. Another thing that affects your payout is your reimbursement percentage and deductible. Depending on the plan you selected, Healthy Paws may reimburse a percentage of covered costs after your deductible is applied. So don't panic if the reimbursement amount is lower than the total vet bill. That's usually how pet insurance works. And honestly, the smoother your documentation is, the faster the process usually goes. Clear invoices, complete medical records, and fast submission can help avoid delays. So overall, the Healthy Paws claims process is actually pretty simple compared to many traditional insurance systems. Most people just upload their vet invoice through the app or customer portal, wait for review, and receive reimbursement if the treatment qualifies under coverage. And yeah, that's basically how the Healthy Paws pet insurance claims process works step by step. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more simple pet insurance guides and honest reviews like this.